Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a color gradient in Adobe Photoshop. You could use a gradient between two colors to act as a stylish background for a logo or your artwork. Today's video will cover how to make a standard two color gradient as well as a custom gradient that can include more than two colors. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Load up Photoshop, and before we add the gradient, I would recommend creating a new layer if you haven't done so already. This way we will keep one layer as our background layer in case we need to change it in the future. With the layer we want to add the gradient to selected, click on the gradient tool from the toolbar on the left. It might be set as the paint bucket tool, so click and hold on it to choose the gradient. It looks like this. With the tool selected, we now need to set up the appearance of the gradient. This can be done from the options at the top. You first might want to change the type of gradient. This can be done to the right of the preview window, and you can choose a circular radial gradient or a traditional linear gradient amongst some others. The colours and the style can be changed by double clicking on the preview to the left of this. There are some presets to choose from, and when you have one selected you can further customize it. You might want to find a preset that is close to the one you want. With one selected, you can see on the preview how it will look, and it's here where you can change the colours and positioning of the colours. To add a colour, click below the preview and move this left or right to the position you want. To change this colour, double click on it and then select the colours you want. To remove a colour from the gradient, click and hold on it and drag downwards. There are a few more ways to customize the gradient in here, such as the smoothness, and back on the main page at the top with things like transparency. Once you are happy with the gradient, click on OK to close the window. You can now add the gradient in. To do this, click and hold where you want the gradient to start, and then let go where you want it to end. Hold down the Shift key if you want the line to be at a set angle, such as exactly vertical. Feel free to play around until you get it right, as it will probably take a few attempts and some adjustments. And so that is how to create a color gradient in Adobe Photoshop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.